I don't know where she came from. For real. Yeah, fuck you, cunt. Towards Will. Got the other. Shit. Will. Fucking bitch.
We got the lead. Now hold it.
Joseph, go lay down. Sethy's weird. Nah, I got killed by Sethy.
Lead's ours. Come on, you're losing this fight.
That was a nice
We've
long
taken
shot.
control.
Enemy unit sighted.
They're mad as fuck. I know they are.
You've fallen behind.
I have another one over here. He's playing ring around the fucking Rosie. You still camped over there?
Sniper's gone. Push up. Do that again.
Oh,
See what fucking
fuck
happens.
you, dude. What did you expect? I wouldn't push in this direction, though.
We have the edge, but don't get cocky. This shit ain't over.
They're still spawn. That I know of, they were still spawning over here, yeah. I'm about to get tag team. Oh, that galaxy bitch is over here. Fuck me. She was right here. Got 31 bullets left. Hey, what am I doing?
God damn, I love the taste of victory. Hotel Sierra.
Okay, babe.
Is the party already over?
Okay, babe. No. No. Oh, yeah, no, that was smooth. That was fucking smooth. I was like, yes. That's probably why she was gunning for me. Fucking straight domed her. Shit was funny as fuck. That's when they wanted to keep sniping off a wheel.